Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I love my Le Creuset pieces. This tray is one of my favorites because it's so useful and beautiful. I can use it every day and also for entertaining. It's an excellent size for serving meals. I don't have to worry about taking hot pans to the table because I can just easily transfer the food onto the tray so that my family can serve themselves easily. And it is also a beautiful way to serve hors d'oeuvres for parties. And the handles make it really convenient for carrying the tray from the fridge to the table. And it's a very substantial piece. When I hold it, I can clearly recognize the quality of Le Creuset. I just love the beauty and the quality of this Le Creuset tray. I'm proud to be able to display food on it, to bring it right to the table, or to use it for my guests. And that's my point of view.